Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix you can't send message to this account on Messenger. Basically guys, when you try to send the message to someone and you are getting here that you can't send the message, then it means this person has blocked you from the Messenger. Okay guys, so you can see here guys, I can easily send the message to this person. You can also see here guys, you are not friends on Facebook or new Facebook account. Okay guys, it doesn't mean that if the Facebook person is not your friend and you can't send message, you can send him message very easily. So basically it's happened when the other person has blocked you. Okay guys, or you have turned on the restriction for the person. Okay guys, so guys, if you want to turn off the restriction for any of the person, then what you need to do guys, just simply you have to go back, then tap on three lines. From here guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to tap on settings. Now from here guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to scroll it down. Now you can also see a help section. From here guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to explain your problem here. So just simply you have to tap on enable to send message on Messenger, tap on that. Now from here guys, you have to scroll it down. Now tap on no. From here you have to tap on the solution doesn't work, and here you have to write that you want to send the message and it's not working, and here you have to tap on submit. And after that guys, your request will be submitted and hopefully you can send the message. If you have turned down the restriction, just simply have to turn off the restriction or unblock that person if you have blocked this one. So that's pretty much for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.